Hello, hello, hello. Oh, there we go. Just waiting for the stream to start here. Okay, so it looks like it started. Hasn't actually started on my actual monitor layout here, but excellent connection, but no actual. Right, just not on the right thing here. Make it bigger. Oh, there we go. All right. So, so last time, if I remember correctly, we fired up and I became dejected, more or less, because I couldn't figure out how to get something working. And now, of course, it's not going to work, right? Why would it work? All right. So we'll wait here. Slowly, it will work. All right. So let's do this. There we go. All right. And let's do this. Or gosh. All right. So I'm just getting things staged up here, and hopefully it will be in good shape here. It'll take a little while because apparently I'm constantly swapping. Blah 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 blah. Okay, so let's. Oh, you can see this screen here. So while it sits there and percolates in the background here, I come back over here. Find my thing. You don't see my pointer, do you? Can I highlight stuff? Oh, I can highlight stuff, but you can't see my pointer. Okay, well, let's pretend you can see my pointer. So this is what I'm actually having issues with. Oh, that's not helpful. Right, apparently I opened a widget. All right. All the things I miss, I think it's my mind I miss the most. Anyways, so to get back to the browser here, which you're actually watching, I'm getting this problem. Not this. Yes, Zenial here. So it's complaining. So I just thought, you know, oh, they don't support such an old version of Ubuntu anymore. This is the problem, right? But apparently this isn't it at all. So they go back and forth a little bit here. A little bit of hand waving, not really explaining what it is. And then this gentleman, I think this is Spanish. I want to say it's Spanish. But he has a reference here, which actually kind of spells out what's actually going on. And what's actually going on, unfortunately, is that Google, a while back, decided that they were not going to host the Kubernetes binaries anymore, which, well, fair enough. They hosted it for a bunch of times. They want to kind of step back from the community, right? I'm not sure I agree completely, but hey, it's their decision. That's what they made a decision. So the problem is that the domain they were using, what everyone's pointing to, and that's the problem. So you sit there and try to interrogate that domain, and it says, I don't know what you're talking about. So apparently they went away on March the 4th, and I had tried to do this sometime in March. So I did it in February sometime. In February sometime it worked fine, and I tried it in March. It didn't work great. Like I said, I just thought I'm gonna have to sit there and move from where I was pointing to, which was this Xenial, which I don't remember which number version Xenial is, but I figured I had to move to a newer version. But apparently, they've changed the repos. So the question is, yeah, I don't even think I can get my repo anymore. My repo is older than that. That's all right. So let's come over here. And what is this? This one? Yeah, okay. So let's mute that one for a second. All right, so we'll switch to the terminal here. So this is my terminal. Sit there and say yes. We won't watch the whole terminal thing. It'll bounce around. I will throw this up. So it's going to be doing some stuff over there. So it doesn't distract us. I'm going to just put it off into the background. But so we're firing up our stuff in the background here. This will take a little bit of time. So it's doing all the stuff it's supposed to do. Now, my version of, I think it's 1.22, I want to say, or the version is trying to install is 1.22. It looks like from the notes here, it's 1.24, which will of course suck because there's a few things that we have to do to get from where I am, which is 1.22 to 1.24. This is just me. This is just life telling me that I should have been a little bit more aggressive at moving on from older versions of Kubernetes to the newer versions, right? So I updated actually a couple things. All right, so let's go here. I'll switch back here for a second. Switching back. All right, so it would help if I was in the right terminal, right? Okay. So I think it's here in versions. I'm not sure it's versions or variables. I'm not sure if it's versions or variables, but no. Okay. I'm not sure if it's Kate's. It's none of these. Interesting. Looking to see Kate's version. Or it's in a subdirectory, I think. Is it in here somewhere? Okay, that's a lot of stuff. Of course, I can't scroll back here. This is a console, so it doesn't allow me to scroll back. So it doesn't look like it's there either. I think it's an example. I thought there was a place in there somewhere, but maybe not. Okay, let's switch back over to the browser here. So yeah, if we're at version 1.24 and my version is much older, it's going to be a problem. Let me see if I can. exhaustive search there. Interesting. Which version? Which version am I using? Let me see here. Go. Go to the secret sauce. We'll go use the source, Luke. Okay. Go to the source. Sorry, I'm a little bit slow in the brain today, so I'm doing this slowly. Should be talking more, right? I'll try talking more. I'll try talking louder too. I do notice that. Oh, that's not good. Interesting. Okay. I always love it when you do something and apparently I'm swapping. Why would you need to run your computer at a regular speed when you can just swap? There we go. Right. So it's this one here. So HCL. I don't know what HCL is. Hash corp language or something. Terraform. So wait. Oh, see, it's 121. It's not even 122. Okay. So 121 was the highest that I could go. And since they're using 124 here, I'm not sure if it'll work. Alright, and we know some stuff doesn't work. So if we go here, I'll hide the browser window so you can actually see what I'm typing. Get all this stuff, but let's go here. This is the most important guy here. This to the footprint. Okay. So the interesting thing here is to go tail var log. It's cloud. Doesn't really matter here. You see it says fail. Right. And maybe the other one will actually give us why it failed. Did all this stuff. Oh, here it is. Yeah, try. The repository does not have a releases file. And so that was where it like choked and died. Alright, so let's go back over here to the browser and see if we can do anything about this. Let's see. Alright. We're still under support. 24. I think they do say like they're thinking about what they do. Fun. Use the binaries instead of packages. Well, let's see. Alright, so in brief here, I'd like to get just a cluster running, just to see that it's possible. And then if I can get a cluster running, then I can try to revisit what the issues were. So one of the issues was that there was a newer version of the AWS module, because that was causing me all kinds of problems. That was one of the things we edited before. You can see I set a version for the AWS module as a workaround. So I'd like to sit there and cure that. I'd also like to see what the other issues were. Okay, so let's see, installing kubeadmin. Goes back to 125. Let's see, does it have if I go to 125 and I put in 121, will that work? Let's see, let's pretend. Alright, let's see what this is. It's an old bad domain. Because I'm not actually keeping the certificate up to date. Netlify. Guess that's just the default. Never mind. Okay. Let's accept the risk and continue. Sign up. Too easy, right? Blah blah blah. Check your network. Check your ports. Install container runtime. Okay. Kubelet, kubeadmin, kubectl, kubecontrol, whatever you want to call it. Okay, so here's the new packages. Anytime this, and of course 1.24. Actually, they don't even have 1.24 here. Let me go back as far. Well, this goes back as 1.426. I think they'll go back as far as 1.25. Out a package manager. Huh. That's not helpful. Binaries after packages. Well, where do you get the actual binaries from, guys? So I was in the right spot. It's in the right spot, just not doing the right thing. Flat card container. Thanks. Alright, so let's do that. Let's go and say I don't have anything here, so let's do this. Download dir equals, I don't know, where am I? Home Ubuntu. I see. TRICTL version equals v1.2. I don't remember what the version was. What's the version did I say? It's here, right? 12112. Only my mouse pointer is still going away. Alright. Arg is how exactly what I feel like. AMD 64. Okay, that's all good. It's supposed to curl. Oh, okay. I'm not going to do that. I'll just do this first part. Curl. So curl right dash L. HTTPS github.com/Kubernetes SIGs CRI tools releases. Oh, I see. It's I'm getting a CRI tool to get a runtime interface. Probably don't need this. I probably do need this, but this is what I'm looking for. Download /$ exclude bracket CRICTL version /CRICTL dash. I guess that's CRICTL version again. There's probably more stuff after that, right? Dash Linux dash $arch tar.gz. Let's see. Oh, that was quick. Yeah, not found. Alright. That's what it was. I just didn't see it. Okay, so let's see. Oh, see, they're trying to get release. Yeah, sorry. I'm reading. Okay, so go here. Let's look here and see. This gives us any joy. Nice. I love clicking on something that I don't care about. Okay. Okay, so I'm trying to wonder if this will actually work. Let's try it. Let's take this, go here, and I can figure out this stuff. Okay, so the release here would be 1, 2, 1, 12, bin Linux. And D64. Kubernetes. No. Oh. Could just be thinking. Thinking. No. I don't know. Let's try it as a curl command. Call it. Oh. I can't see it, but it popped up something. Curl. It's an IO, so let's get rid of all of this. cdn dl.kates IO release singular, not plural. Version, apply production, that's okay. Use this stuff. Bin / Linux. / arch. / qadm. Now this is longer, taking longer than I thought. Oh, okay. Put qadm. Give you something here as well. So I'm gonna look on my local machine here sometime today to show me some of them. Why do I need to see stuff that's just all overrated? Okay, so while it's thinking, let's do this. Go file, Q, it's an executable. Interesting. Okay, I don't need this locally though. Goodbye. Hastas las vistas. Baby. Apparently, right clicking to do something with a file is causing it to swap in a whole bunch of DLLs or something. So I've got the Windows equivalent of the beach ball of death here. It's thinking. It's still thinking. Very heavy contemplation here. Oh, for a second there I thought I may have given up. Still in contemplation. Apparently the core file exchange is just very, very, very wonky. Should have like something Jeopardy music. I would sing the Jeopardy music, but I'd probably get me in trouble with YouTube, so We won't sing the Jeopardy music. Oh, there we go. Really? Did it really have to take that long? Apparently it did. Oh, I thought it was only kilobytes. It's actually megabytes, so. Alright. So, what is it supposed to be doing with cube admin here? Alright, that's good to know. Should keep that. Make a note of that somewhere. Right, so let's pretend we have all that. Let's see. Enable kubelet. Oh, I have to get kubelet. Did I get kubelet there? I did not get kubelet. So let's go back and get kubelet. Kubelet. Alright. So let's scroll down. Now we didn't get that CRI controller, but I have no idea what that is. Alright, so neither of these are actually executable, so let's chmod u plus x cube star kubelet. Dash version. Who knows if that'll work. Okay, let's pretend we know what we're doing. I'll try to use kubelet to create a cluster. This won't work because I don't have anything close to be work. Network setup. So some of this has already been done. Some of this Terraform already did. I don't know how much it actually got. Alright, let's try that. Cube admin init. Let's see. Okay, so let's see what does it complain about. Cannot execute Docker info. User's not running his root. Interesting. Okay. Well, that I can fix. Oh, look at that. Alright, so let's try kubelet. Q min init. Let's see. Oh, I got further. Let's see, warning. Oh, yeah, it did complain about that system. Yeah, enable kubelet. Is it kubelet or the kubelet service? Alright, so this is going to be a little bit more than but we're making progress. Interesting. Okay. So it looks like we would actually be able to run. I'm just gonna grab this, paste it in here. Oop. A little. notepad here. Okay. There's nothing more to do here. So that's learning. So we've learned that we actually need to have the kubelet running. I have to understand more about this something CTL thing, CPI or whatever. I don't know if we need it for that, for the old version that I'm using, or if there's some other stuff that I need to do, and where it should be going. All right. Hey, it is what it is. It's kind of cool. I think that's it for now. We'll try this again shortly. And thanks for watching.